Welcome back, Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be shish kebabs, several different types of meat, one of which is venison, in a marinade, then cooked on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. Got another treat for you. We're taking the Teach a Man to Fish channel on the road. This is going to be a traveling show. We'll start the cook here at home and then finish it up at a friend's house. Hang on tight, it's going to come at you quick. Go ahead and break up that boned out deer quarter into the roast that we can use to make up the shish kebab. There we go, we've got the meat with most of the blue skin trimmed off, and we're left with a couple of roasts here. So let's get this cut up into the kebab cubes. Now we'll go ahead and get the rest of the meat cut up. We've got a couple of different types of pork here, and then some thick cut sirloin steaks. So now it's time, we've got the meat cut up. Now it's time to go ahead and cut up the vegetables, and we'll go ahead and talk about the marinade right now. We've got olive oil, red wine vinegar, onions, zucchini squash, different colors of peppers. I've even got a green going on here too. Cherry tomatoes, honey, parsley, soy sauce, worcestershire sauce, I can never say that, black pepper, kosher salt, mushrooms, and then your various types of meat. Let's go ahead and get those vegetables chopped up. And for some reason, I always forget to mention garlic. Alright, time to go ahead and work on the marinade. We'll get this blended up, emulsified, get the oil to mix in, and we're actually going, before we put the sweet stuff in, I forgot to mention teriyaki sauce, but it'll be in the recipe down below, but before we mix the sweet honey and teriyaki sauce into this, we're going to split it off into two different marinades, one low carb and one not low carb. Now we will add in the sweet side, teriyaki sauce, and the honey. There we go, you can see the difference between the two. With that teriyaki sauce and honey added in, it gets much thicker. This is more like a salad dressing. But I guarantee you this will taste good to those who are on the low carb option. So this could also be considered a keto friendly marinade. Now we'll go ahead and move that meat over to Ziploc bags for the marinade. For our low carb option, we will label that one so it doesn't get mixed up. three get their marinade. Now, push all the air out and we'll get these packed up and into a cooler to take onto the road. Oh man, this smells good. This is gonna be great. Now it's time to do the assembly and the little ones help. Maybe not so little. Right? Child labor. Less talking, more work.
Please help. For $1 a day, you can feed us. Kebabs.
We're from Spanakopita. Since we're going like the,
Wow.
Mediterranean.
Sorry for the low light level conditions. You might see a little bit of snow coming down. There we are. That's the low carbs on right now. And it smells phenomenal. It just went on. Time to do some flipping. Now you can see that small amount of coals does a really good slow cook. Which is what that meat needs.
Thank you for joining us for a fantastic evening.
All right. Thank you for watching Teach a Man to Fish channel. If you enjoyed the video, please click like, subscribe, and share with others. All right, so now we'll go ahead and drop the pepper shaker. We've all enjoyed the shish kebab.
Is it venison?
That is venison. Here we are, Teach a Man to Fish channel. We finished the cook, we finished the eat, and now it's time to get on with the rest of the fun. Thank you for watching.
Oh, come on.
Welcome back, Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be... Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Hang on tight. First of all, we'll go ahead and get a deer ham. First of all, we'll go ahead and get a boned out deer ham split up into the roast that we can use for the... Obviously, we can use for the... First of all, we'll go ahead and break up that boned out deer ham. We'll go ahead and break up that deer